So I worked with two problems. One was, wait, can you come this way? I'm sure that was open. So one was getting rid of a garbage dump that's near my house. So this is my apartment, garbage dump is here. And this used to cause a lot of discomfort to the nearby residents. And also when it rained, all the garbage used to come on the road. So it used to cause a lot of traffic congestion. So the idea was, these are old tires. To paint old tires, put them in that particular garbage site and put the mud and plant plants into them. And a lot of my apartment friends or the kids in my apartment were willing to help out. So that's a good thing. The alternative site for putting their garbage was a dumping area down the road where BBMP comes regularly. So yeah, that's the first one. The second problem that I dealt with was segregation in my apartment. So one day the collectors in my apartment told me that your garbage isn't segregated properly. So I asked my maid to come sit with me and segregate the garbage, and I observed that she didn't know the proper difference between paper and plastic. So that was the trigger. And after that, I designed a dustbin. So this is the initial design that I made before making the actual prototype. And this is a very rough prototype that was made last minute. So two dustbins are present, opening for paper, opening for plastic. This whole paper side was lined with newspaper, and the other side was lined with articles like Tetra packs, Cadbury wrappers, medicine covers, the ones made out of plastic and metal. So that even like not only our help at home, but also we like articles that are very confusing as to where to put them exactly. To remove that confusion, that was the main objective, and also to make collection easier for the collectors in the apartment. They just had to lift the dustbin and open the flap. So all the garbage used to come out from there.
Can you show the bottom?
The bottom is actually open, but in the actual one, it's closed. So it's been cut out in a particular shape. So just they had to pull out the cardboard flap and everything.
So what was the one thing that you liked about this experience?
The problem with me is that it's very hard for me to get up and start doing work. So the fact that I actually came up with a solution for a garbage dump, that is a very big problem, and also designed a dustbin and made a prototype. So those two things are the thing that I really like.
Anything you disliked?
The fact that I kept delaying it, that okay, kal karenge, that whole thing about I could have done a lot more work. Like this one dustbin could have been improved and got to a lot other houses, but that is something that I couldn't do because I was a very big procrastinator.
Okay. Anything else you want to share?
Working with Benefit has always been fun. This is like I started working last year, and this is my first internship. So it was a lot of fun, and everyone helped a lot.
Cool. Okay. Thank you.